G'day everybody, I'm Folix. Welcome to the Sultry Pineapples YouTube channel. Today I thought I'd do a bit of a raw video on the Dragon GTS V2, which Bike Scooter City kindly sent up to me for me to review, have a look at, give some feedback on and let them know what I think. And so far I've been really enjoying this thing. It is crazy powerful. I'm only just cruising along slowly at 30 k's in single motor mode, and it's definitely far more powerful than my 48 volt 800 to 1200 watt scooter, if anybody's seen that. There's only one way to put this: the GTS V2 is a different beast altogether. I'm speechless most of the time when it comes to this thing. It scares me sometimes too. I genuinely fell in love with this the moment I pulled it out of the box. It's got decent suspension. I wasn't too sure about the front end. Now I am. I love it. It is so powerful. And those shocks on the front, they're not that bad. These are different than the GTR V2s. Slightly. They've had some minor changes done. I'm just gonna quickly yeet myself across that street. I hate waiting at that intersection, it takes forever. Today, I thought, what's a better test for this thing than taking it up Too Good Road? I mean, I've conquered Roberts Road, I've conquered the roads up in the back of Silkwood Ridge. There's only one in the back of Edmonton I can think of, but the battery gets flat very quickly when you're running dual motor uphill. I did manage to get all the way out to Bentley Park and back to the city in Cairns on Monday. That's a while ago now. And I was ridiculously sore after that ride. I spent an hour and a half on this thing and I still didn't hit low battery. I was riding it unlocked, full power, dual motor, the whole 9 yards for a full hour and a half. I was genuinely impressed. The GTR V2 battery is much better put to use on this scooter than it is on the V2, on the GTR V2 that is, because that battery tops out at 1440 watts nominal, peak, okay, which is not enough for the GTR V2 at all. That's barely enough to keep it happy on single motor. So I told them, look, make a GTS V2, make it a kilowatt, and throw this battery in it. It'll be just enough. And I'll tell you what, I wasn't wrong. Those of you that have told me that the V2 has a bit of a dip in power when you climb up the hills, I'm not surprised. Once you're pulling over 1440 watts, it's going to drop back down to 1440 watts very quickly, underdriving those motors and making you slow down. On this, it just pushes the motors hard and constantly. They don't stop. I mean it, they do not fucking stop. I love it. Oh, alright, so we're getting close to Too Good Road. I'm still in single motor mode. We're running about 41 kilometers per hour. I'm not trying to eat all my juice right now. I'm just trying to get over the Too Good Road. go. Alright, this is the Bruce Highway. I'm now cruising with traffic. Now the GTS still has its indicators, which is amazing. I love the indicators on these things. It makes it so much more comfortable for me to actually use the road. I'm never so scared to just like, hey, I'm trying to go that way around a roundabout by putting my fucking hands up. No. Sorry, you need two hands on these things. If you ride these one-handed, lift your arm up around a roundabout, you're gonna stack. Trust me. Pretty sure I've done it. Oh shit. Okay, we're sitting on 51 volts. Let's just enable that turbo boost. Get a little bit more speed. We're doing 45. Is always slippery. Oh shoot, keep forgetting how much kick dual motor's got. I hate intersections like that. It's no bueno. And I'm gonna go on the pathway here. Yeah, people don't know what to do ever, do they? Alright, let's get on the pathway. Didn't even hear the front shock at all. Flying. This thing's got no chill at all. It just says, okay, so you're pulling the throttle. Do you want to go? Then let's go. All right, straight uphill. Let's do this. Cruising. This is so smooth. We lost 2Ks as the incline increased. It's okay. Oh, my back leg is friggin' killing me. That's one complaint I have about this thing. It's got so much torque that your legs will be dead. Alright, good girl. Let's keep going. Keep going. We're just gonna keep cruising up this hill here. Oh. Alright, let's go uphill. This is where the real incline starts. Cranking out 32 k's an hour, still up that. Oh gosh, my legs, this is gonna kill me. Doing 42. Holy shit. Oh god, here we go. Whee! 59 down the hill. Yep, no cars behind me still. Alright, let's keep going. Oh Jesus. Lean forwards. Lean forwards. We're still going. 30, but we're still going. Gotta slow down a little. This corner's mean. Oh gosh, that lean. Still going strong. So those of you that have wanted to know whether a GTS V2 can climb a hill or not, I think that answers your question. Oh, this thing keeps surprising me all day. I'm genuinely surprised. It won't do that in single motor, but it'll definitely do it in dual. Now I'm still gaining my confidence again. Ooh, I feel like the regen just let go. No. That's just me being silly. I'm braking really hard in the rear. Next climb. Ready? Up we go. 30, 32, 33, 34, 36. One 30. Oh shoot, here we go again. I hate going down this hill. Even on bicycles, I hate going down this hill. Getting a fair bit of regen out of it though. Love it when people wait until the last second to brake, eh? This is so cruisy. Ooh. So, I literally came out just to show you guys how well this thing can climb. I think I've done it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you feel. Catch us next time.